Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Arbitrum. We're going to be discussing what's happening with the price of Arbitrum, analyzing the charts, and see whether or not we should be worried in the immediate short term. So let's get right into it. If we're looking at the rank of Arbitrum right now, it is currently sitting at the top 40th spot with a price of $1.08, down about 8% in Bitcoin comparative, Ethereum comparative, and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. But if we're looking at its market cap, the market cap is slowly creeping down towards the downside, currently sitting at $1.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting right below the $500 million mark. So we're going to be talking about what exactly is happening with Arbitrum and whether or not we should be worried, like I said, in the immediate short term. So over the last 7 days, you guys can see it has been plummeting quite a bit. And I'm going to be talking about what I think is happening right now and what I potentially could be seeing happening for Arbitrum in the upcoming, of course, year or so. So let's get right into it. So as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So right off the bat, guys, Arbitrum has hit, let me go on the hourly time frame. So Arbitrum has went on and hit, a low. A huge low, went all the way up to that $1.01 mark, and we have not seen that since it got listed. We have not seen Arbitrum reach these prices since it has been in the markets, and there's a lot of things going on right now. I'm going to share exactly what I'm saying is happening within the market. So right now, guys, there's so much happening within the crypto space that you guys literally won't understand. And I know new investors won't understand this because, this could be very, very scary times, especially if you were accumulating Arbitrum around this range. What has been happening right now is, of course, number one is the reason as to why Arbitrum even fell 10% is because Bitcoin fell almost to 10%. And obviously, altcoins are going to react, especially when Bitcoin dominance is still sky high. So, of course, majority of the money in the crypto space is still in Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin retraces when this happens, we do tend to see altcoins get hit even harder. And that's exactly what we're seeing happening. But with Arbitrum, I'm going to share something very interesting with you guys. So what happened with Arbitrum, in my personal opinion, is, of course, right now we have this meme coin rally that's going on. I'm sure you guys are aware of as to what really is happening. And what a lot of investors from Arbitrum are doing is they're selling their ARB tokens and jumping into this meme coin market, which again is extremely, extremely dumb to do. Yes, you can make life-changing gains, but that does not mean every single coin is going to be Pepe. That's what not a lot of people think, but that's what we're seeing happening. And a lot of money is getting out of ARB and going into meme coins. And remember that if you think about it from this point of view, people got Arbitrum for free. Because Arbitrum was an airdrop for anyone that used their testnet and their mainnet. So of course, when that launched, everyone that did, use that, they were qualified for an airdrop. And some people racked in free $10,000. So they had quite a bit ARB sitting. So obviously people are pulling in, looking elsewhere. And of course now Sui dropped. And if you guys know, Sui is a competitor to Arbitrum, but they never had this huge airdrop, which I think is going to cost them a lot. And I've said this in my other video as well. I said, I made a video as to why I believe, I wouldn't be buying Sui, because I do believe they can dump even harder. Marketing now in these type of projects, you do have to have an airdrop. And, there was a high anticipation from a lot of investors that were saying, hey, you know what, Sui's going to do an airdrop, but boom, no. And that shows greediness, to be quite frank with you guys. And, Arbitrum, of course, they gave hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of ARB to investors for free, and that shows they're not here for just the money. They're here for actually innovation. So huge plus point on ARB side. But what I personally think is going to happen with Arbitrum is that, it's going to be a long-term consolidation phase, because, we're seeing a lot of other coins that have more interest in them. But this is going to be a good buy, and this is something that I do have my eyes on very, very closely. I do see this thing falling even lower. I'm going to be quite frank with you guys, especially if Bitcoin goes back down to 25K levels. That could definitely be on the table for ARB, but that's going to give me a great opportunity to be accumulating, because I could personally see ARB in the next bull cycle touching closer to double digits, and I'm very confident on that. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. of course, only time is going to tell about what really happened. But let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys really agree with my analysis on this? And do you think Arbit is going to fall lower? Of course, it will start heading back to its prices, above that $1.20, especially if Bitcoin goes back above this level of resistance. But remember, guys, we need to take other factors about the market, what exactly is happening, what is the overall momentum. And right now, meme coins have that momentum, and a lot of people are shifting their focus on that. And that is affecting Arbitrum right now too, and a lot of other altcoins. But that is it for today's update. We'll keep you guys updated if anything were to change. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.